Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to take a workout challenge. So this is like very famous CHLOE TING challenge. That's the ab workout I'm gonna take for, and I'm gonna do that for like 2 weeks. So it's gonna be a 14 days process, and yeah, we both together gonna see what the results are. Honestly, I have like done this workout, but I have never continued it for like 14 days. It says that you get abs, but of course you're not gonna get abs just in 14 days. Maybe your stomach and ab area will look much toner, and that's what I'm expecting. So yeah, let's just see. This is the day 1. Afternoon right now, and my stomach area is extremely tight, and I just can't even laugh properly. It's painful, but I hope it's worth it. So it's the second last day I am doing it, and yeah, I'm really enjoying it actually. Over the time it is just getting easier and easier, and yeah, I'm really liking the exercise. Now I'm gonna finish it quickly and see you tomorrow. What's up guys, so today is the last day of a challenge, and we are back at the same place to see what difference did it exactly make. Honestly speaking, I couldn't continue it for like 14 days straight because I got periods in between, and I then stopped and then restarted again and finished the remaining days. So there's a gap in between, but still it has shown some effects on my stomach, which is great. Obviously I'm not gonna get full-fledged abs in just like 2 weeks. That's so yeah, but my stomach is definitely toned and looks much flatter. So now I'm gonna insert some before and after, and you can be the judge of it. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was basically me working out and showing you the results. So If you wish to do the same, I'll link the exact video which I followed in the description, so you can check that out. And yeah, I'll see you super soon. Bye. Also make sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, now bye.